Introduction to Design and Development Outputs. Clarification that design and development outputs are not the final product or service, but rather documents or elements produced during the design stage, such as engineering drawings or installation instructions. Nature of outputs. Outputs can vary widely, from engineering blueprints to work packages or installation instructions, depending on the product or service. ISO 9001:2015, Clause 8.3.5 Requirements 1. Meeting input requirements. Outputs must fulfill the input requirements identified during the design and development process, ensuring the final product or service meets all predetermined essential requirements. 2. Adequacy for subsequent processes. Design outputs must be comprehensive enough to support subsequent processes related to the product or service, including provisions for shipping, packaging, and logistics. 3. Inclusion of acceptance criteria. Outputs should include or reference the criteria for product and service acceptance established by the organization, detailing benchmarks for monitoring and measurement activities. 4. Specification of essential characteristics. The outputs must clearly define the product or service characteristics crucial for safe and intended use, including any necessary information for effective and safe operation. Importance of documenting outputs. Emphasizes the requirement for organizations to retain documented information of design and development outputs, ensuring traceability and compliance. Safety and liability considerations. Highlighting the importance of including safety instructions or warnings in the design outputs to mitigate liability risks should the product be used improperly. Conclusion. Reiteration of the critical role of design and development outputs in the ISO 9001:2015 framework, ensuring products and services not only meet initial requirements but are also prepared for safe and effective utilization.